So,
Yeah.
as we always do on the channel, we always end with the investment business side of things.
With the finance business side of
Yeah.
things, the entrepreneur
So,
stuff.
is there anything you want to touch on?
In the investing in the stock market, there's a lot of noise about SpaceX going public. So for those who may not know, company SpaceX is founded by Elon Musk in 2002, and I think its main sort of goal is for space travel for human beings to eventually inhabit Mars and then all of that. It's going public, and I think the key question in the investing world is, so SpaceX is asking for, they're seeking a market valuation of $1.5 trillion, and which will make them automatically, one of the biggest companies in the world. Then becomes a case of, does the major indexes then include them? For example, would that mean that the S&P would include SpaceX in the S&P 500, or the NASDAQ, would they include them? For retail investors or for the everyday investors, with a company the size of SpaceX and what it does, with the way AI is going at the moment, people will be, there's something called FOMO, fear of missing out. So you'll see investors who will look to invest in it without really having any knowledge, or just because of the buzz it has around it. But for me, in terms of my strategy, what I've been doing as a long-term investor, as an index fund investor, I'm not going to rush to buy into a company that I don't have much knowledge on. And eventually, anyway, when it goes public, I think it will eventually make its way into the S&P or the NASDAQ. So you will, if you're an index fund investor like me, who invests in the S&P 500 accumulation fund, you will eventually have exposure to that. I'm not going to change my strategy in terms of how I invest just because of the buzz that's going around it. I'm not someone that's going to chase fast. I've never been the type of investor to chase fast returns. And, the information I always give to people is, don't jump on the next hot trending topic, just invest, think long term, and let compounding work its magic over time. But it's an interesting one. That's the sort of hot buzz that's going on about the place with SpaceX. I will do a lot more sort of reading around it. I read quickly, I had a quick glance, and because it was just going on in SpaceX and investors, you invest in SpaceX is going to be the next thing, and it doesn't faze me. The noise doesn't really do anything for me, Dennis. I'm an index fund investor, and index and chill. I build wealth the boring route. I'm the most boring investor that you will ever meet. My portfolio is not exciting at all. It's just one fund, the S&P 500 accumulation fund, and that's what I've been contributing into the past since 2022. Been boring, but hey, I've got over 6 figures in there, and I'm happy. I'm happy. And nothing's going to change for me in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, in the next 15, 20, 25, 30 years, or even 40 years. Nothing's going to change for me. It's still going to be the old boring route, buying shares in the index. That's all I'm going to be doing.